Hi guys, in this video we are going to learn how to create Microsoft logo in Adobe Illustrator. Let's get started. Create a common artboard in Adobe Illustrator. Select the rectangle tool and double-click on the artboard and change its width and height by 66 pixels. And change its color to RGB value EE4F13. Select the selection tool, hold Alt and drag the square to DY75 pixels. Then select both the objects, hold Alt and move DX75 pixels. Change its color to the following RGB values. Select everything and group it. And move it to the center. Select the Type tool and type the text Microsoft. Then change its font to Sego UI semi-bold and change its font size to 112 points. Align it to the logo and change its color to gray. And there we go, that wraps up the video, so hope you learned something new. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. I will see you next time.